I studied drawing, painting at the Art Institute in Chicago when I was 17, and for a couple of years. But it was never anything that I was encouraged to do by my folks. This was not something that they could see as a future, as a parent sometimes does. They look at their own lives and try and relate what you're doing to what they did, and sometimes it really doesn't work. Well, it wasn't until we had been married for 5 years, and I had been doing some painting, and someone saw my work and offered me a show in New York.
This is approaching 1970 now, or is this...
Yeah, this was, in the 70s. 72, 73, 74.
Mm-hmm.
I had my show, and I sold a half a dozen paintings the first night. They weren't expensive, but it was still a matter that I was having a New York show, and that I was fairly successful. So I came home, and I asked my wife, I said, I've supported us now for 5 years. Well, we've supported one another for 5 years. I would like a chance to try and be an artist, and we'll set a time of 5 years on it. And she said, okay.